Happy birthday to you. Hey everyone, Joel and I are heading to Jody and Carter's house because today is Carter's birthday. Happy birthday, Carter! And we're going to his party and we're excited to see everybody and take you along.
This is a Merlot, a Brie, and a blueberry. So.
And then Jody made this cake for Carter. Looks really yummy. We are about to play Cards Against Humanity with everybody.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Let's do this.
We should have started over.
So gentle. Jody, you look awesome with that knife.
Hey, Punky.
Dude, you have no idea.
Come down.
Psycho at all.
Hey, what's up?
This is my friend Jared. I've known you for 7-8 years.
Carter. Yippee-ki-yay, bitches!
He's awesome. He is awesome.
He is awesome.
This cake is so good. Jody did a wonderful job. How do you like the cake that your wife made?
I like the cake. This is Drunken YouTube How To Amateur Rocketry. It was kind of hard to put it out.
So what are we doing, Carter?
Okay, so we are coating the inside of a 2-liter bottle with isopropyl alcohol. But what I did earlier that was stupid was I did this.
Oh.
No! No!
One more time.
You're like ancient Romans.
Please watch your hand.
God, this is stupid.
You don't have to do this.
I freaked out for a second because then I lit my pants on fire. Now we're going to fill the 2-liter bottle with nitrous oxide. And then this is going to be big. That was a lot better. It's kind of scaring me now that I help. Too much oxidizer won't burn right. Too much fuel won't burn right.
Yep.
Just a little bit.
Welcome to Rocket Science.
That was pretty cool. No, I was at the hibachi the other day. And now the hibachi people will put the alcohol on there. With ethyl alcohol, it won't burn you, okay? Because it burns at a low enough temperature. Isopropyl alcohol, higher temperature. Hurts a little bit.
Just a little.
But, anyways, so I reached my hand onto the grill and lit my hand on fire. And then a little kid followed me. And I was like, no, don't do that. No, first Jody goes, yeah, you can stick your hand in the fire. And I go, not the oil fire, Jody. The alcohol fire's okay. We'll see if there's a lot of alcohol in there. Okay, see, this is the danger of playing with alcohol, because if this lit on fire, that would be no bueno. Especially if a flaming drop of alcohol dripped down to the bottom. Also, no bueno. We got a hose. It'll be fun. See, I think that's already way too much. We'll see.
You were saying? That was the cool. No, seriously, Carter, you put your thumb over it and you shake it to get the alcohol to vaporize.
No, it's just coating the inside. It's already a vapor. Like it's.
No, it gets it even more of a vapor.
You don't got to overthink this. Science, don't overthink it.
Tell him what we're doing.
How am I supposed to do that?
Okay.
Try ice
so
I don't know.
you want to put about, if you want it to go off like within 5 minutes, you want to put a fair amount of dry ice in here. Now this is really good dry ice. It's lab dry ice. It's all pelletized. So it's already really good. So I'm going
Are
to
you
try
gonna hold
it.
your ears?
Cap it.
No?
Put the top on.
He's holding his ears.
I do this too. Oh, we're looking at the box. I don't know what.
You're gonna hear some crackling. We're pretty good for about. I love this. And we have a camera. Oh man, of all the people ducking down. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's going to break this thing.
Carter, move out of the way!
Holy!
Carter, move out of the way!
That was a lot more impressive than the last one.
Oh my god! Shark, so high!
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, that was much better.
Okay. Wow, Carter, that timing though. Holy crap, my heart's beating.